Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Cryptocurrency 101, everything you need to know. Let's dive into the world of digital currencies and understand how they work. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Think of it as digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike the dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies run on decentralized networks. No central authority like a government or bank controls them. The magic behind cryptocurrency is in its technology, the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger made up of blocks, which are groups of transactions. These blocks are linked together in a chain, and once added, they can't be altered. This blockchain is a public record of all transactions. Now let's talk about how it works. Cryptocurrencies use consensus mechanisms like proof of work or proof of stake to validate transactions. In proof of work, miners solve complex problems to add blocks to the blockchain. In proof of stake, validators are chosen based on how much currency they hold and are willing to stake. To store your crypto, you need a digital wallet. This can be software-based or hardware-based. Wallets store private and public keys needed for transactions. When you want to send crypto, you use your private key to authorize the transaction, which then gets confirmed by miners or validators and recorded on the blockchain. Now, onto some popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, is the first and most famous. Ethereum allows developers to create decentralized applications and smart contracts. Other notable cryptos include Ripple, Litecoin, Binance Coin, and the meme-inspired Dogecoin. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrencies come with their share of drawbacks. They're highly volatile. Prices can swing wildly, making them risky investments. There's a lack of regulation, which means freedom from central control, but also opens doors for scams and fraud. Limited acceptance means you can't use crypto everywhere just yet. Mining, especially for Bitcoin, consumes a lot of energy, raising environmental concerns, and if you send crypto to the wrong address, there's no way to reverse it. Speaking of scams, let's be cautious. Ponzi and pyramid schemes promise high returns with little risk but eventually collapse. Phishing scams trick you into giving up your private keys. Rug pulls happen when developers hype a token then sell off, crashing its value. Pump and dump schemes artificially inflate prices only to let them plummet. Fake exchanges and wallets steal your funds. ICO scams vanish with your investment. And beware of fake celebrity endorsements. So how do you stay safe? Do your research, use reputable exchanges and wallets, be skeptical of too good to be true opportunities, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid suspicious links. Cryptocurrency is an exciting frontier, offering potential as an alternative to traditional finance. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Understand the benefits and be aware of the pitfalls before diving in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto content. Stay safe and happy trading.